Photoshop document for our 6th grade project. The first thing I'd like you to do is locate the icon for Adobe Photoshop on your desktop. It looks like a camera, and this is Adobe Photoshop Elements, the program that we're using today. You're going to double click the program to open it, and then you're going to click Edit, the orange circle. It will take a second to load. Once it does, you'll go to File along the top, over to New, and we're creating a blank file. So find the word blank file and click on it. Then you're going to get this smaller, lighter gray menu. Don't worry about the title. For now, we're just going to go to this first drop-down menu, which might say Custom or Preset. It'll say one of those two things. And you're going to drop it down to the US paper size. So you can design your own size of paper here if you are working on your own project, but we're going to make it the size of a regular sheet of paper. So you're going to say US paper, and then it'll say 8.5 by 11. Resolution will be 300. We want a color mode, RGB color. Background is white. And then you say OK when you're ready to go. Now, you can see that you've done it successfully if you can look down at the bottom and see the size should be 8.5 by 11 inches. Your project might be zoomed in or out, so you can see it might look smaller or larger, but as long as you can see that the size is 8.5 by 11, you know you've done it correctly. Okay, now you're ready to save it. If you go to File, you can say Save As, okay, and over you've got different drives. You click on this PC, you should have, you have 2 drives, I think. You're going to go to the middle school student shared. Okay, middle school shared. You're going to double click on that, and you won't see these. You'll go right to this. Okay, so this is the student drive, and then you're going to click on General Share. General Share is a folder that lets both students and teachers save to it. And in there, I have a folder, so you're going to click on Kakuzi. Then you're going to find your class color, and you're going to call it your name. If you want to add something else like Photoshop or something, you can too. And it's a Photoshop document, and you're going to say save. And then you are ready to move on to the next step.